Welcome to Market Peeker. If you've heard about crypto, you've likely come across terms like private keys and public keys. But what do they mean and why are they so important? Let's break it down in simple terms. Think of a public key as your email address. You can share it with others so they can send you cryptocurrency. Just like someone would send you an email, it's safe to share publicly. Now, your private key is like your email password. It's a secret code that gives you access to your funds. If someone gets hold of your private key, they can access and steal your crypto. That's why protecting it is crucial. Here's how it works. When someone sends you cryptocurrency, they use your public key to create a transaction. Your private key is then used to unlock and verify that the funds belong to you. The process relies on cryptography, ensuring it's secure and tamper-proof. Never share your private key and always store it safely. Use secure wallets, enable backups, and avoid sharing sensitive information online. Do you feel more confident about managing your keys now?